It's only fitting that in this administration, with more hurricanes, snowstorms, flooding, and disaster of the natural sort than of any administration I can remember in my lifetime, that we begin the second term in the same way.